Are you prepared to operate heavy equipment with confidence and safety at the forefront? Interstate Heavy Equipment proudly presents a practical guide on how to operate heavy equipment safely. Number 1. Essential safety protocols. Learn step-by-step safety measures to safeguard yourself and others during heavy equipment operations. Number 2. Hands-on techniques. Master practical, real-world operational skills that prioritize safety without compromising efficiency. Number 3. Equipment mastery. Gain in-depth knowledge of various heavy equipment types and their specific functionalities, ensuring a smooth operation every time. Number 4. Certification ready. Be prepared to earn certifications with our hands-on, practical training modules. Why choose Interstate Heavy Equipment? Backed by years of industry experience, our guides are crafted by professionals who understand the nuances of heavy equipment operation. From basics to advanced techniques, our guide ensures a holistic, practical learning experience. Access our guide through our user-friendly website, interstateheavyequipment.com. Ready to operate safely? Contact us. Equip yourself with the skills to operate heavy equipment confidently and safely. Dial 469-370-7501 to connect with our experts and kickstart your journey to safe operations. Don't miss out. Visit interstateheavyequipment.com now.